stab, 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 stab.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Drop in, both knives, tips facing, palms down. Don't pull this back here, don't have this up here, just here. High, let's see how this came into live hand position. High, low, high. Then we go high, low, high. Okay, so just high, low, high, high, low, high. See how I'm using my slashes? High slash, low slash, high slash, high slash, low slash, high slash. Then of course, high stab, low stab, high stab, 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 stab. Okay? Then I can go slash, slash, right side slash, left side slash. Notice something. The hands don't cross up with the stick. Right smash, left smash. The hands crossed. With the knives, they're so much more economical. They're so much tighter of a stroke pattern. So I'll just do this real close. When you're here, slash, slash. You see how this knife has to come, just drop down, slash. Then, slash, slash. And then it's stab, or sorry, slash, well, I'll do the slash, slash. Look where the knives are. Not like this. They're over top of each other a little bit, but the arms aren't crossed. Okay, so we went slash, slash. Now we come out slash, slash. Right back to center.